What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Patrick here. Moving on to the next example, dealing with quadratics and linear intersections or linear quadratic systems. So we have to find the point of intersection between this quadratic here and this line here, 2x minus 10. And remember, there's only three cases that can happen with how a quadratic and a line can intersect. They could intersect at 2 points. They could intersect at 1 point, right, if the line is tangent to the quadratic. And then they could also intersect at no points, right? So it's going to be one of these three cases that's going to happen. And so what we would want to do here is we would want to basically make the equations equal. So I'm going to rewrite this quadratic. We want to find out when is this quadratic going to equal this line, 2x minus 10. And so from here, what you have to do is basically expand everything and solve for the x value. So what I'm going to do is this x minus 3 squared, I'm going to rewrite like this. Got 2x minus 10. Now if you end up foiling all this out, you'd have x squared minus 3x minus 3x. Just going to simplify those. That's going to be 9 minus 7 equals 2x minus 10 like that. And then you have to bring everything to one side. So I'm going to bring everything to the left side just because I like to have that leading coefficient be positive personally. So bring the 2x over, negative 6x minus 2x becomes a minus when you bring it over. Becomes 8x, 2. Bring the negative 10 over, becomes positive 10. So 2 plus 10, that gives us 12 like that. And now we have a quadratic equation to solve, and you could solve this with the quadratic formula or factoring. Sometimes it won't factor, but in this case it actually does factor smoothly. This is going to factor into x minus 6, x minus 2, and that's going to equal 0. So when is that going to happen? Well, that's going to happen when x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that's going to happen at an x value of 6. This is going to happen at an x value of 2. And so we are dealing with the case where there are 2 points of intersection between this quadratic and this line here. Now, they want the full coordinates, so just getting the x values is not enough. So we would have 6, we would have 2, and so to get the corresponding y values, you could take this 6, you could plug it either into the quadratic or into the line. It doesn't matter, they're both going to give you the same y value because they're intersecting at that point. They both share that point at that x value of 6. So let's just plug it into the line. I feel like that one is easier. 2 times 6 is 12, minus 10 is 2, like that. And then if we plug in 2, we'll have 4 minus 10, which gives us negative 6. And again, you could test it. If you plug in 6 here, you would have 6 minus 3 squared, which is 9. Minus 7 does give us 2. If I plug in 2, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Squared, it's positive 1. Minus 7 gives us negative 6. Right? So right there, those are the 2 points of intersection. And that's a wrap for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you want to see more videos like this, please go to my website, allthingsmathematics.com. Over there, all of the videos are organized by chapter, by section. If you feel like you need tutoring at any point, you could also hit me up. My contact details are on the website. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.